Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be comparing two of the top student loan providers. We're going to be comparing College Ave versus Earnest, which is the better company when it comes to securing your student loans for your educational funding needs for your upcoming semester. Again, which is the better company, College Ave and Earnest, which is the best option for you? That's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video. And of course, if you want to check out Earnest or College Ave, you can go ahead and check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this comparison. Again, College Ave and Earnest. Now, starting with College Ave, they are actually one of the top student loan providers, and they're actually our #1 provider that we recommend here on the channel for people getting student loans for college. Now, in terms of what College Ave has to offer, taking a look at their details here available at the link in the video description. They actually rank #1 on Forbes, CNBC Money, CNNFund.com as well, and they offer the lowest rates starting at 2.99% APR. Again, rates are subject to change and matter depending on when you're watching this video, so be sure to click the links in the video description to see how to apply and get the rates specific to your financial situation. And with College Ave, you can also cover up to 100% of your school costs. These are your school certified expenses. You also have flexible options for repayment with no application, origination, or prepayment fees, and checking rates won't affect your credit score as well, which is also a really nice perk here, as they do have a soft pull in terms of College Ave's application. Again, checking your rates will not affect your credit score. You can see how to apply. Now, in terms of the types of student loans that College Ave has to offer, is that they offer both regular student loans as well as student loan refinancing, if that's something that you need to do maybe at some point in the future as well. Now, in terms of their private student loans, they offer undergraduate, parent, and career loans, as well as graduate loans with dental, MBA, health professions, law, and medical school loans. Now, College Ave does have a grace period of 6 months, as well as additional extra benefits such as their scholarship program as well, which can be a nice extra little sweepstakes perk, which you might be able to win. Borrowers can enter and win a $1,000 scholarship from College Ave, which is a kind of a nice little extra perk. And the other thing to keep in mind with College Ave is that they offer full principal and interest payments, interest-only payments, and $25 fixed payments and deferred payments in terms of your payment options while you're in school. Now, in terms of cosigner release, they do offer this after you've reached the halfway point of your repayment term. If you are going with a cosigner, which most people are more likely to get approved for your student loan with a cosigner. That is something to keep in mind when you're actually going through the application process, which, speaking of the application process as well, there is no origination, application, or prepayment fees with College Ave. And in terms of what that application looks like, if you go through the links in the video description, you can see how to apply, and it'll pull up this easy online application here where you can select whether you're a student borrower or a cosigner and go through the online application process. Again, no hard credit. It is a soft pull. So again, as you can see, there is checking your rates won't affect your credit score. That's super important when you're going through and shopping around for different student loans. And something to keep in mind with College Ave as well in terms of some of their application flexibility as one of the other nice things just to keep in mind with applying through a lender like College Ave. Now, in terms of Earnest, moving on to Earnest, now they offer student loans as well. Of course, they offer both student loans as well as the ability to refinance your student loans. If maybe interest rates change and you want to refinance, you can do that directly through Earnest as well, same as College Ave. So you have that flexibility there, which is kind of nice when you're going for student loans. Now, in terms of Earnest and what they offer, if we look here at the links in the video description, they offer a fast application and decision-making process, as well as a fixed APR starting at 3.19%, and they provide customized private loan options for students, and you can enjoy no early prepayment penalties, and you can skip a payment once per year and once repayment period has restarted. That is a nice little perk that Earnest does offer that a lot of other student loan providers do not actually offer. In terms of the types of student loans that Earnest does offer, it comes to regular student loans, that's undergraduate student loans, graduate student loans with a cosigner, parent loans, MBA loans, medical school loans, law school loans, half-time student loans, as well as DACA student loans that Earnest offers for their different types of student loans. In terms of refinancing, you can refinance regular student loans, parent loans, as well as business, medical, medical and law school loans. Now, in terms of other things to keep in mind with Earnest is they do offer a 9-month grace period, so it is 3 months longer than College Ave by comparison, and their little extra benefit is the ability to skip one payment once per year, which is kind of a nice benefit there. In terms of those in-school repayment options, they offer full principal and interest payments, interest-only payments, and $25 fixed payments and deferred payments, so pretty much the same as College Ave there. And now they don't have a cosigner release, so that is not available with Earnest. That is something very important to keep in mind. There's no cosigner release, so if you're looking for that, maybe you go with College Ave in that case. Now, in terms of other discounts, they do also offer that 0.25% interest rate discount for automatic payments, so same as College Ave there. And they also offer no origination application or prepayment fees. In terms of the application, when you look at Earnest, if you click in the links in the video description and you click see how to apply, it will take you over to this page here where you can check your eligibility. Now, one thing that's also nice about Earnest that they also do is that checking your eligibility for their student loans won't affect your credit score. So it's the same situation for their application. Is also a soft pull on your credit with Earnest, same as College Ave. So that's kind of a nice thing with both of their applications are both soft pulls, so you don't have to worry about that. Again, checking won't affect your credit score. In terms of what you'll need to apply, again, it's going to be the same kind of thing. Your name, student name, email address, birthday, citizenship status, income, credit score. Those are the kind of things you're going to need to check eligibility, not only just with Earnest, but pretty much any kind of student loan provider out there, also including College Ave as well in terms of what you need for their application processes. Now, both College Ave and Earnest can be good options when it comes to applying for student loans, and both of them are pretty decent lenders when it comes to different repayment options and what they actually offer in terms of who's eligible and how many people that they can, get approved for their different student loans. Now, in terms of who may be better for each of them, if you're looking at College Ave, it's best if you want to choose College Ave if you don't attend college full time, or if you want cosigner release. Those are two big things that College Ave does allow you to do, and something that not necessarily every other student loan provider offers. Now, if you want to choose Earnest, it might be better to choose Earnest if you want a longer grace period and you want fewer fees, as well as if you want, more payment flexibility. So that's just up to you in terms of how you want to be able to pay. In terms of that skip a payment feature is kind of a nice extra little bit of payment flexibility. If you don't care about that as much, then maybe College Ave is the better option for you. Again, it also comes down to the actual interest rates that you're able to get with either College Ave or Earnest, or really any other kind of student loan provider. It's best to shop around, see what kind of interest rates you qualify for from a variety of different lenders, and consider these factors that we talked about here in today's video when you're looking at College Ave and Earnest and which one might be the best option for you. Truly, the best way to get the idea of what is the best option for you is to check your eligibility and to see your rates again, and you can do that at the link in the video description. You can scroll through some of the top student loan providers that we rank here on the channel, including College Ave as well as Earnest. They are two of the top companies that we do rank here in our list of some of the best student loan providers for funding your education. Again, the link to this page will be available at that first link down below in the video description. Again, if you want to shop around and click and see how to apply from a variety of different student loan providers, it's important to kind of see shop around a little bit, see what kind of companies giving you the best deal before you decide to lock down with any kind of student loan company. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Again, if you did, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.